Hi, let's go today for trying one of the best Kwetiau shop that I found in Jakarta Pusat, Central Jakarta. Let's go together and see how's the food. We are already in Baitashim Street. That's the shop that we find. We will go here for eating Kwetiau. It is located beside Yellow Bee. The menu, as you can see here, is specialized for Kwetiau. So in some other Asian country they are called Hovan. So I really like the way that they are making Kwetiau, especially Sapi. In here you can see the price in the menu. Kwetiau Sapi. Sapi is beef and Kwetiau is one of Chinese traditional food. You can see the portion is really big, nice, and the taste is really also good. I really like it. Here is the iced tea. They made pickles with the chili, green pepper. The mixture of that is very good. That will be tasty with the sour flavors. You can see how much it's nice, good, meaty. I don't like when the sapi beef is hard. That's why I prefer here the sapi and beef of that is the meat is tender, juicy, and soft. It doesn't have fat. They have other type of Kwetiau also. Kwetiau seafood. This is Kwetiau Goreng. That means fried. So yummy. Tasty. Really yummy. In actual order, definitely they will gonna serve the same portion and same style of Kwetiau. You don't need to worry about that. And definitely it's tasty and I will recommend it. So if you are in Central Jakarta near Tanah Abang area, definitely I can say this will be the best options you have for eating Kwetiau Sapi or beef Kwetiau. So definitely you're gonna enjoy, and especially when you are craving for this food. They have other type of also Kwetiau, like seafood and goreng, and also soupy Kwetiau. So you will have plenty of options in front of you. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next video. Bye.